for freeze trades. So if this goes through, this is going to be a second test. This is going to go through as well. It's going to give us a freeze trade. All right. So let's see. It's almost time there. So let me take another note here and reviewed silver and gold, and so if there are no other questions, I would start a summary, a recap right now. And so we started from the euro dollar. We saw that our our continued measure move higher at 110.77 failed. This market gave 2 freeze trades, but now is going to test the next level, 109.60. On the daily, we also showed the extension that is pushing this price lower into that level. The level is a valid level, valid Fib-Stalker level that can be timed using the Fib-Stalking timing technique. We then reviewed the euro Australian dollar, and this market, when we look at this market on a very, very large time frame, we discovered this market is not a long, it is a short. And this market is offering an opportunity right now. I gave the setup for this market, and you can trade that with about 60, about 55 pips of risk, if that's what you want to do. So setup was given here. Then we reviewed the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Despite some different views, this market is still very technical, still in long. It's in long on the weekly, it's in long on the daily. And despite this retrace, I will always let the market move. This market has been pushed higher. It's now probably retesting. You could retest or not that level. It's not really very important. What is important is to get risk-free trades. All right, so we then mentioned one of the markets we have been following the last few weeks, the pound versus US dollar, and we showed that this market went indeed to, it's approaching the level that we mentioned. We mentioned 39.40, it's now 39.90, so it has 50 pips to go, and it will go for sure. It will go 50 pips more here to reach those targets. On the other hand, the pound versus Japanese yen has already touched, and it's reacting, profit taking, from that very level that we indicated a couple of weeks ago. I got from Scott. Thanks, Scott, for your tweet in relation to this. 156.32 as traded, and the market reacted. So congrats to all of you who have taken this position here, and the market, luckily and unluckily, it has continued lower. So only those who are positioned already would actually take full advantage, and I was not. They could take full advantage of this move. And this move has started the very same time when we started our US dollar Japanese yen trade that actually pushed price lower. We made a 23 unit of risk on that trade alone, and that was a risk-free trade, so we took half off as well. Imagine if we left that in. Then we reviewed US dollar Japanese yen, and we know that this market is going to provide opportunities. It's just a matter of being to wait for the right opportunity. If this market continues lower, it's going to trade into extension and then trade into the next extension short. I'm very positive about this market. I think this market has the potential to maybe offer us maybe 12 or 1300 pips lower into 170. And finally, we reviewed silver and gold. We mentioned that these two markets are moving laterally on top of extensions. The extension for silver is 1510. The extension for gold is the level that we have there, the 1197. And gold might be breaking out here on the daily and 4-hour time frame. All right, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope I hope the information that you got here can help you in your trading this week, the continuation of this week. Also, we mentioned the trade, potential trade on the euro Australian dollar on the short side. That market is not a long, the market is a short, and we will then continue and we will see what this up and brings, what this week brings to us. I will go now, back to full-time trading. I don't trade full-time, of course. For example, I only follow 3 session, European session open at the beginning of the week, because it's very tiring, of course, and that's where the opportunities are clustered. But I will go back to my normal schedule as I now have all the developments of the FIB Stalker console and the preparation for the New York Trade Expo in my back. And so have a great day. As I just want to remind you that I am actually planning to do a special session of my, where do I have it? Let me see. Of my FIB Stalker Methods Coaching Program. If you are interested, it's a full method divided in 3 phases as well as in 3 sections. The first phase is self-study. The second phase is a review of all the material with me in 14 webinars where you can ask questions, reapply all the concept to charts. And then I also have trading room, which is separate from this one, as well as I have a third part of the coaching program in which I actually help my students to become profitable first, and then I help them with consistency. So if you're interested, beginning of May, I will start this new session, and you can get a great discount here on FX Trade. So if you're interested, by no means, apply today. Have a good one, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow, same time, 8 EST. 8 p.m. EST here on FX Street. Thanks a lot for joining.